Hi everyone, it's Sue from Art Craft and Journals. Welcome to my craft room today. I have received my next box of goodies from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. And I'm kind of excited about this one because it's Halloween stuff, and I do love Halloween even though I'm in Australia, and you know it's not normal, it's sort of not seen as a big thing here, although it is getting bigger I think, but I do love it. So I have got my goodies that I'd like to share, and remember these things that I'm about to show you will be on sale at Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. Now I have the pile that I chose, my 6 items that I chose, and I have the papers, and I also have some extra bits and pieces that I desperately really needed. Yeah, I'll show you those last. Now all this stuff, as I said, will be on sale, just these ones here. So pop along if you're interested in doing any Halloweeny stuff. There's some goodies there. Now there is also some Harry Potter things too, I believe. So it's kind of a magical sort of a theme. And I actually can't remember what the theme is right now, but I will pop it down in the description box. All right, let's have a look what I got. I've got some more of this Distress Oxide Spray. I have got a couple of these now and quite enjoy using them, so I thought I would grab another one. So this is Carved Pumpkin, so this is the orange basically. Now I do have the Tim Holtz Ideology Ephemera Pack. It's the Halloween one. I don't know what it's... Oh yeah, there it is. Just Halloween snippets. And I will actually pull all these out and do a photograph of them at the end. So if you're interested in seeing every single one of them, it's a little hard to sort of pull them all out. It does take a long time. And some of them are really tiny by the look of it. So I'll spread those out and take a photo at the end. Now I do have this Sizzix stamp. With some little ghosts and monsters and things on there, so they're cute. So if you're into cutesy sort of Halloweeny stuff, they're quite cute. We've got little monster, trick or treat, party time, little demon, happy Halloween. So that's kind of cute. And what else we got? Oh, we have this stencil, which I thought would come in use with the cobwebs. So it's an Echo Park one, 6x6. So that's good. Now I did get a couple of packs of the die cuts. I was undecided which one I wanted, so I kind of went with the two. We've got this one here, which has all the sort of the elements, the different elements, which I thought were kind of cool. And I also went with this haunted house because love the idea of haunted houses, so I thought I'd grab that as well. Now the papers, which I'm really looking forward to opening. I haven't looked at them yet. I resisted the temptation. Okay, so they're authentic. Oh wow, look at that. Sort of like your I don't know, creepy carnival type sort of Halloween ones. Love that. It's called Masquerade. Yep. And it's got that on the back, so a nice neutrally sort of Halloween one. Ooh, and we got 2 of those. Ooh, awesome. Love it. And what else we got? This one here. Just looking for the name. Masquerade 6 paper, 2-sided, just says a Masquerade 6 2-sided paper. A mask tells us more than a face. Oscar Wilde. Ooh, okay, interesting. So you've got the check, your orange and black sort of check, and this sort of striped one. So there's 2 of those. And oh, look at this one. Awesome. Cats. Witches' cats, witches' hats, and witches' brooms. And again, it just says the collection is Masquerade. Masquerade 3. So let me just, oh yeah, so they're just different numbers. So there's this one, and on the back we have the orange and black stripes, so the Halloween colours. Ooh, and we've got some bats. Great background ones, these ones. And this one's number 1. And, ooh, we've got the plaid. Nice. Okay, and I think we're back to the start again. Did I miss any? Oh, yes, I did miss some. Hang on a minute. We've got this one here. So this one's number 5. And it's got the masquerade sort of masks. And on the back, I'll just bring that up. It's kind of what looks like one of those pictures that you stare at and the picture jumps out. So it's got little stars and swirlies and things. So that's very good as well. Oh, hang on, we've got some more. So we've got some more traditional Halloween cut aparts. This is number 7. So that's lovely as well. Easy cards, these ones, if you're making Halloween cards. In fact, that's possibly what I might be doing, actually. So that's that one. Okay, and we're back to these again. So I'm just through. Oh, we did have doubles. I thought we did. Okay, excellent. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with these, I think. All right, so that's the part, the September goodies part for my design team or creative team projects. I'll just move that out the way. So looking forward to playing with those, and as I said, remember to check out the store because they will be on sale. Now, some other bits and pieces that I added to my order because I desperately needed them. I got some of these fibres which I thought would go with the Halloween stuff. So that's cool. Let me see, what else have I got? Now, I desperately needed a new brayer. Mine are looking very, very tatty, so I grabbed one of those. Let's see. Oh, these eyelets. These are the warm metal ones. Really wanted the warm metal, so I actually got 2 packs because, yeah, I like using those. Now, I did get the Santoro Gorgeous Girl stamp. This one is Fly Away With Me. And I actually got 2 because I'm thinking one of them might go in for a giveaway prize or something later. And I did get some little Couture Creations or Couture Creation stamps. This one's Protea, and I did get 2 of that one as well. So these are a nice quick little stamps, these ones. I like these. And we've got the kangaroo. And we have, this one is Poppy Border, and again I got 2 of those. That one's better when you can see that one. So that's those ones. And oh, actually, yes, there was another one. This one here is Growing Together. So again, it's the poppies, which I thought would be nice when I do some pages on Anzac Day and things like that. I like to do a journal page, so I thought they'd be handy. Now, I did get a little extra gift as a thank you, which I'm quite happy about because I did look at these and I thought, no, you can't buy any more. You've already spent too much money. So quite happy to grab these. So thank you very much, Vera. You did read my mind, and I'm trying to open it. There it is. I'll just quickly show you what's in this pack. I just love the Gorgeous Girl stuff. I think it's so cute. There are a few things I would love to have got, but yeah, you've got to draw the line somewhere. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, so there's some cute little tags. So they're all the same, that one and this one. So they're gorgeous. I really just love these. I don't know what I'll do with them yet, but I'll find something. And we have some twine. And these, actually, you know what, I might make a journal. These are just little like coin pockets. They're all the same, those ones. So they're really cute. And there looks like some bigger ones. Yep, little packets. So they're very cute as well. And yeah, bigger packets again. How gorgeous is that? So very, very cute. So I have been looking at quite a lot of the Gorgeous Girl stuff, but as I said, you know, you've got to draw the line somewhere. All right, so that's my stash from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for September. Probably won't be the only order I make in September, because really I'm beginning to think I have an online shopping addiction. Yeah, which is not good, but it is. All right, so as I said, remember, check out Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for this month's specials. There will not only be the things that I've ordered, but what the other ladies have ordered too. So watch out for their unboxing videos as well, just see what they've got. And watch out for the projects that we make. Check out the blog. Yeah, I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.